Hello folks, this is your boy Yardie TV. Have you ever been, and this is for my folks who are overseas, have you ever been home and just feel like you want something from Jamaica, a Jamaican snack, maybe a grater cake, maybe a gazada, maybe it's a Bigfoot or a cheese crunches, maybe it's some chippies banana chips, or even, what you call it, St. Mary's banana chips. Have you ever feel like you just want something from Jamaica, one of them original Jamaican snacks, and you don't know how to find it? Maybe you are living in an area that doesn't have a Jamaican store or a West Indian store, and you need something. I want to introduce you to a company called Jamaica Care Packages. And this is an awesome company that allows you to receive Jamaican niceties, Jamaican snacks, Jamaican little different things, that maybe rum, maybe a beer, maybe just something from the Jamaican, from your home in Jamaica that you really, really miss. I want to introduce them to you like at this time, guys. It's a beautiful company and they just sent me a package. I want to tell you about it. So now you can get a one-time delivery of your favorite Jamaican snacks, or you can get it delivered every month or bi-monthly. You just have to get online and visit Jamaican Care Packages and make your request known to them. You can also, check out their different types of boxes that they can deliver to you. The box that I have today is one filled with different types of snacks from my childhood, snacks that just bring back nostalgia. Hey, I recommend it to everybody. Go visit them and you will be so happy to receive a snack box just like what I had here. And remember guys, promo code is Yardie. This is it. Yes, man, I tell you the truth. The box of snacks looks amazing. I can't wait to dig in. I mean, they have chippies, banana chips. They even have Bobby's chocolate. If you want your own box like this on a regular basis, whatever products you need to get on Jamaica Care Packages right now. As a matter of fact, you can put in the discount code Yardie and you will receive a very good discount when you purchase your very own. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna put the link in the description box right below this video so that you can get your very own Jamaica Care Packages at a good discount. Remember guys, if you want something in a yard and you can't find it abroad, Jamaica Care Package is what you need to link. And guess what? I'm not staying no longer now because Bigfoot there, cheese crunch is there, chippies banana chips there, duplex biscuit there, and cheese strips there. Jamaica Care Packages is what I'm going for every time I need my Jamaican snacks. Peace.